Let's learn how to make a rectangular prism using this paper to create roller coaster carts for our Space Jam glow room. Start by taking the paper and cutting outside of the lines. I start by just cutting this T or cross shape, and then you also need to make sure that you cut in the notches around the gray areas. The gray areas is going to be the part where you fold. So notice how I cut all of the straight edges, then I get in and cut the little notches out so that it is easier to fold and assemble my rectangular prism. Make sure you're turning your paper. Do not cut off the gray pieces, just cut into the little notches so that you can then fold them once you are done cutting. You'll throw away your scraps and fold where each of the gray notches are. That is where you will connect the pieces of the rectangular prism. You will also fold on the 4 solid lines as well. Once you have made all of those folds, you can either use glue or tape to attach. You will only need 4 pieces of tape to create this rectangular prism that does not have a lid, because we are using this to make our carts for our roller coaster. So just use 4 pieces of tape, and that is your cart for your roller coaster that you can add things to and decorate for the glow room. Good luck!